What up, fellas? It's Ty. Welcome back to the channel where we discuss all things prostate and prostate cancer related. If you're new here, welcome to you. If you've been here, watched the video, maybe even liked and subscribed, as I always say, I appreciate you and welcome back to you as well. So today I want to talk to those individuals who are contemplating or potentially about to have their radical prostatectomy. I want to talk to you because one of the things that occurred to me, and I'm not sure if it occurred to anyone else, is there is no way for us to hold these surgeons accountable for doing a bad job. I thought about it the other day. I was thinking, what if a surgeon goes in and they're supposed to be nerve sparing and they get too close to the nerve and they injure it during the surgery and they close you up and you end up with incontinence or erectile dysfunction? Well, they've already told you those are the two things that could happen, right? And maybe they wouldn't have happened. You know, I had a great surgeon. And as I continue to heal and everything like that, a lot of the things that were happening before are not even an issue. But the thing is that some of you are having issues, and some of you have had surgeons who said that they're really good at what it is that they do. But we don't have any way to hold them accountable. How do we know? They spend so much time telling us on the front end what it's going to look like on the back end with the outcomes that we cannot hold them accountable for those outcomes. So how do we know? So you need to make sure that you feel comfortable that they know what they're doing. Again, is that going to make any difference? Maybe, maybe not. But I just want to have this discussion with you. I want to get this in your brain. Not that they're going to do a bad job, but because there's no way to hold them accountable. So you have to hold yourself accountable for making a good choice. And not being afraid to walk away if you feel it's a bad choice. Do not feel as though, since you found out that you have prostate cancer, you have a doctor or surgeon who you do not feel comfortable with, but feeling as though you have to get the cancer out or letting someone pressure you into getting the cancer out. Listen, find the best surgeon in your area that your insurance could cover and go to them. Set the appointment for whenever you can get the appointment set. But you go in and you talk to them. And you make sure that you understand exactly what it is that you have. They have a way. It's always a way to get this type of thing done. I know that I'm asking you to pause or something like that. But us men, we know when stuff ain't right. And you'll know when you don't feel like something is right. So just make sure that you're getting the best care possible. I know it sounds like this, but again, I know what circumstance you're in. I know your brain is racing a mile a minute. So, having been through it and being on the other side, I can give you this and say, hey, watch out for this pitfall. All right? So I hope you all are doing well. I hope this finds you well. Peace and blessings, fellas.